We put the bird feed out here for the birds. This little bastard out here fucking damn seeds up. It's been over a minute. Shit's actually been, I've been sitting out here for a minute now. I had just started, like, let me say, make a video real quick. So you been out here for like over 10 minutes. Fucking no bird seeds up.